Oh man, it's raining outside.
Woohoo! Haha! Right! It's raining! Yay!
What? Again? Damn, Rebecca, you thought I put in rainy days. Unbelievable. I bet it all wet.
That's because I thought that it was raining!
You see, Rebecca, I will be here just like you. So you're thought I put in rainy days, and we are three cars. You know what? That's impossible. Nobody's here, alright?
Yeah, three cars? How about three chairs?
Please no. You know what? That's impossible. It starts to rain. Nobody likes that in the rainy days. Okay, Rebecca? I don't understand that. And also, you're so annoying.
Yes! The rain stopped! Yay!
Okay, I did it! You see, it stopped raining now. It wouldn't be so much fun in a rainy day, but oh man, this is terrible, Rebecca. You don't understand that over a rainy day sometimes. What are we doing by the time it's something about a whole lot of place in the universe? Even,
Police car?
Exactly, Rebecca. It's the police car. I've been put in the room. Jeez, reality in the thunder.
No! Police car!
Oh, over right there. Any last words? We don't want to die. We are three cars.
Too bad. Time to the old cars. Well, goodbye forever, three cars. Die!
Yay! You did it, police car! That was so awesome!
I think, Rebecca, it was so much fun to play on the road in my town.